Frazer, come here. What have you got inside? Right. We have a car. What else? Go on. What else have we got? We've got another car. A stick. A duck. A rattle. Trumpet. What? Have you got more in there? What else have we got? A block. Tambourine. I think we've got a phone in there. Yep. What else have we got? What else have you got? Got a motorbike? Anything else, Fraze? Got a seed planter thing. What else have we got? You got more in there? Come over, look. We have Frazer. We have a bottle of water. What's in the other leg? We've got some more Lego. Frazer, how have you got a telephone? What else have you got? Have you got any more? Please tell me you don't have more in there. No, you got something in here. I've got and another phone. Why are you putting things in your onesie? You got everything, Max? Yeah. Zip yourself up. You're going to see if you can put them all in yours now? What do you want?